Hi, this is part 22 of Zero tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about how hooks work in your flow. Because hooks are being deprecated next year, so we just quickly go through these hook flows, just in case you need to work with it. When you look at hooks, there are several different hooks in the different flow. The first is client credential exchange. It can be used to modify the scope and add custom claims in your token. One is calling from auth/token endpoint. Post change password hook will be triggered after you change your password. And there are post-user registration and pre-user registration. Pre-user registration allow you to check customer info before you create the user in database. And you can also add custom metadata here. Post-user registration allow you to custom the flow after a user is registered. For example, if you need to create a new user in a third-party platform, after you create a user in auth0, you can make HTTP call here. Send phone message is used for multi-factor authentication. Because I never use it for my own projects, so we won't talk about it in our tutorial at this time. Maybe we talk about it in the future. Now let's add some info in those hooks and see how they are triggered. We only add console log into the hook and save it. And we also add another hook here. And save it. And let's create a post user registration hook. And let's create a pre-registration. Now all the hooks are created. Now let's try to verify how they works. Let's open the real-time log. Now I've opened Postman and try to send a request to this endpoint. And see, I successfully get the hook record here. Will we get this record when we log in? Let's have a try. See, this record is not added. That means this hook only gets caught when we call the auth endpoint. This record is from previous session when we add rules. We already see how this hook works. Now let's try to see the next one, post change password. I've received my email, and if I click the email, now I have successfully changed my password. And let's go to the log, and you see this record is created. That means this hook is working. Now let's look at post-user registration and pre-user registration. First, let me remove myself. And now I can use my account to register again. Now I registered successfully. And let's look into the log. First, you can see the pre-registration hook is triggered. After that, post-registration hook is triggered. And then, because auth0 automatically logged me in after I sign up, so rules are run. Now I've shown you all the hooks that we commonly used. This tutorial just to give you a fast glance because it will be deprecated in future, so we are going to talk about actions in the next video. Thank you for watching.